Mala karun wang. When she bron bol. Martin Miacha love come my attention, may express my ladye. Kabay take a man quite la ladan she bron wo nori take a problem, take a door loy, take a problem. Michikan a bit longer muku can fix it. And tell me la talk and tap on your yen man locker, man gajiok, wuna locker, ka wuna gajiok, kudian ka social media. Ke case late nyatham rambang, nyatham khor, kana killer, yendak. Amaku yana debate the gagian gajo, kudian gajamo. And me chato late nyatham khor kana yen kie dungdun mo yeliam nije. Michit ke dungor malalarke. There is no reason for yellow women ka gajiok ka wuna gajiok ka ne wuna loga they yen quit in this case. Como kudiana madia oje depression, anxiety mateka yamotelu gwa yana latin. Chadia wodara dung nyanyama nile nyatham khor. De lim ni ye de luang ni ye. When can govern across my timeline can yin kun to walk with the yeto. Ja yona karan she bron police look public. Katia let kan gani. Tamama loka kan man gajiok wuna loka kan ne wuna gajiok ka lele kuzni kariak nyatham khor apai tuoga. So kuido mo gari kana nena but changa kamo bar rajima baja belarie. Please langa ye yene ideal to mi take riek du mi take jine wona tele gwala de yetin wala da gwada den chu gat kama todo me chu je nyal ka bi kam lo ko kana kam ji kan kana kam ga jio bi William tin ngode dor no ya mi gay na da long ne me kan yen ga lana wal kan yen ku no bi yen ga lat ke dung nyang sa ma de yen social media ben disturb ka jamo gari well yen ma fe janguru wo kam ye yen ji social media to gak to quiz to ke late nyatham khor kane yen dak kane yen dak mukela ya chunen Kaminia County yesterday ko Shaben hearing. $2 million bond and said deny a judge. The district judge of Minnehaha County deny with $1 billion. The bond gajoto China go about too dangerous to public. Ko if you run a store kabarra wakam like a West Iowa. 120 mile, 150 mile per hour. Chess. 1 hour and a half. Me bawa to lipping. A judge, I will never accept such bond. Which is the good news for us. Confirmly, Kailo. Kachi judge will categorize and chai nick and chai then win. This is the class A felony. Go class A felony. That means it's a life and death. Ci jaji jogu baji mi waji will look kakan got the harawati again life baji sent to death ki baji sent to life in prison. According to the judge, read ka court de ci yen dak within pan. Chawo mi ram de born out, chawo ba 2 million ba ko gorga ya catch. Mi ba born out. Kongi court ngai jaji wo baga jeng. Well, to make the case short and make the case very clear, the judge will hell no. There will be no bond for this idiot until his trial is complete in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8 years. It doesn't matter. He's not going out to public no more. So that's a good news. That's a good fight. we did with the family of our late nyatham khor. Chỉ dạy chuồng của con kel, con dial, yen kwa ya laria pan wone ne ban na wako kot, changan cha twal yen da cha jatok. Con dial, mitran gay time bua, kameni account ni courthouse. Kasupol thought you could. Since chỉ dạy chuồng kel ko con, well, that's the good news. Cha yen da bond me $2 million cash. Awada da no cash me katin. But ngay cái này có được telegatin. Chỉ dạy you let know. Yen that is not going out to public no more. Kachai janame class A. Finally. Milunu alive in prison without possibility of parole or be sent to death when the trial kick off begin. Thank you.